Today we are going to be creating dust and scratches in After Effects. This is what the ending effect will look like with some variance depending on your options. The first thing we're going to do in After Effects is we're going to create our composition. I already have it set up. Then we are going to create an adjustment layer with Control-Alt-Y. You can also go to the layer panel, new adjustment layer. Then you're going to search your effects panel for a fractal noise and put that on your adjustment layer. Then, whatever your clip was, you won't be able to see it. It will kind of look like a gray-white screen here, and we are going to mess with the settings. I like to make the contrast and the brightness as high as possible so that we get a very clear definition of darks and lights here, way more than what the original settings are. Then I like to go to Evolution settings, and I like to Alt-click the Watch by Random Seed. That will bring up the coding window, and we are going to use the random effect so that the noise is random, and every frame it generates a new random effect. You can multiply it for more speed, and so now you can see as I move it, the noise is different every frame. And so now I'm going to mess with the blending modes to see the effect on the below layers. And so as you can see, I can see it here. And then again, if I want to lower the opacity so the effect isn't as stark, or again, if I want to increase the brightness or decrease the brightness to show the effect some more, I can. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.